So in this video we are going to go through the process of doing receiving payment from customers. So to do so, we come here under receive payments. That's where we receive our payments from. We also need to select the bank that is receiving payments. So before we enter the bank that is going to receive, we need to create the bank that will be receiving the amount. So let me go back to home. So I click on home here, and then I go to accountant, then you go to chart of accounts. So here is the default chart of account that comes with the system. So you can go under accounts here, then you click on new to add a new account. To edit or delete, you can just follow all this. So we are going to add a new account, a new general ledger account. That is, we are going to create our bank account from this side. So I can click on new there to create a bank account, and then here I put the category. I click, it's going to fall under bank, so I click on bank there, then I click on continue here, and then it comes here under bank name. So let's say my bank is going to be CBZ. My bank is going to be CBZ USD. Then description, I can also put it as well as CBZ USD, and then we can also enter our opening bank balance. The bank account number doesn't really matter, you can just leave it. And then you come here under opening account, opening balance that we have in our bank account. So I can enter 250, and then we say 250, this amount today is the 7th. So we can say our bank account at 250 as of 1 February. So this means that we are going to backdating in this scenario. But however, if you don't want to backdate, you can just pick this current date. So let me just pick today's date. So I'm saying in today's date we have got 250 in our bank account. So I click OK, and then you click on save and close. So we have created our bank account code CBZ there. If you want to create another one, you can just come here and click new and create another one. And it's falling under the currency USD. We will do another one with another currency for another currency, maybe for ZWL. So now I go back to home now. So under home here, we also need to set our default bank account in the system. To do that, you go to edit, then preferences. So under preferences here, that's where you find most of the settings that we are going to use in the system. You scroll down here, you click on payments, and then you go to command preference, and then untick where it's written deposit. Untick this one here, then you click OK. OK again. So I click home again, right? So I'm now back. So you need now to finish the process of receiving payments from customers. So that process of creating a bank account is just a one-time process. We no longer need to do it unless or otherwise we had a new bank account that we have just opened. So now we can proceed with our receiving of payment. So I click on receive payment there, and then you click on received from. I select received from Mr. Odo. It's Odo PVT, that's a company name. And then here I select the payment amount. Let's say they are going to pay $5.50. I enter $5.50 there, and then here I select the bank account. So there's another bank account that is called undeposited funds and CBZ USD. So I'm going to pick CBZ USD, which is the bank that we just created now. So I click CBZ USD, and then here I click on save and close. If I want to print as well before I save and close, I can click here and click on payment, and then it will prompt me to select the printer preview. So here is how the payment template will be appearing like. If you want to edit it, we can also modify it so that it can show maybe the balance that is owing, and then you click on close, and then cancel there. So here I'm going to click on save and close. So I will come back here to the home. If I want to receive again, let's say another customer comes, I want to receive payment again, I click on receive payment again, and then this window pops. I scroll down, I type the name of my customer, so Mr. Jones, it have come. Now I enter the amount that I have received. It's 850, and yes, now by default it's now showing this bank account CBZ, and this money is also going to CBZ, and we have paid 850. You can click on save and new or save and close, or if you want to paste print, you can click on print. So let me say I click on save and close. So we have done our receiving payment. So that's it for receiving payments from our customers. We will also do statements where we are going to see the statements for each customer. So we'll do that on the next video.